Hi everyone, in this video we are going to talk about how to print a landlord report. For you to be able to print a landlord report, you will need to make sure that the following items have been done before you can print, just to ensure that the report is complete and also accurate. You need all the tenant payments to be on the system to date. So if you're printing a landlord report today, make sure that all tenant payments have been recorded in the system. All the expenses for the landlords have been recorded, and all remittances to the landlords have been made on the system. So once that is done, you can open the report generator. To get the report generator, all you need to do is to go online to the templates folder that we have shared with you. Select the latest template for the particular landlord that you have. If the landlords have different formats, you'll have different formats for different landlords. So for example, we have the latest one is the Nyeri 29th December. So I'll just click on it and download it. Once I download it, now I can go into the system. For me to run a report and share with the landlord, I just need to run two reports, the trial balance and the customer balances. So I'll start with the customer balances. You can duplicate your system so that you have two systems. On one of them you run the trial balance and the other one you run the customer balances. So to run the customer balances, just select that button that is there. Then filter for the correct period. For example, if you want to do from the 1st of December to the 15th of December, which is maybe the day that you're running the report for, select the two periods. Filter for the customer that you want. Maybe you want to run a report for Kagwa. Select that. Click on the refresh button to update the numbers and click on export. So that you have downloaded all the customer balances into Excel. Then go to the trial balance. To go to the trial balance, just go back to the shortcuts. Click on trial balance. That will give you a report for a summary of all the remittance, all the balances for landlords. Select the correct year, 2023. Then select the to and fro date appropriately. So I want to make sure that this is exactly the same as what you have here. So if you have 1st of December to 15th of December on your customer balances, make sure your trial balance is 1st of December as well to 15th of December. So that's 1st of December 2023 to 15th of December 2023. So that is selected. Now I'll also need to filter for the specific landlord, who is Kagwa. Once that is done, refresh this and export. So with those two steps, you have downloaded the latest trial balance and report for the landlord. So go ahead and open the three documents. So the first one will be the generator, the customer balances, and the trial balance. So what you'll need to do is you'll need to copy these two files into the generator. So let's open the landlord generator, which you can click with a shortcut button there. This is the landlord generator that has opened. Let's open the first report, which is the trial balance that we run. So we just go back here. There's a shortcut here to access the trial balance. Click on it to open it. Once it is open, copy this and replace the data on the second tab. So you will see paste landlord report down here. So all you need to do is to delete all this data because that's for the previous landlord. Then copy this new data, copy, then paste this there. Update this yellow highlights. So anything that is yellow is supposed to be filled or changed. So this landlord code is L005, that is landlord Kagwa. The start date is 1st of December 2023 and the end date is 15th December 2023. The printing date will always automatically pick, but you can change this if you want to change manually. So we have finished on the process of copy pasting the trial balance. Let's close that. Then the next thing we need to copy paste is the tenant summary. So let's open the tenant summary that we had downloaded. Open it. This is what we will need to copy and paste on this tab. So delete all the data from row number 2. This is the instruction. Select cell A2 and delete. Once you do that, copy this data that you have here, copy and paste it here. Just to make the final report neat, you can sort column L based on A to Z so that it starts with the customers who are 1 Kingongo, then 2 Nyeri municipality. So filter, sort A to Z, sort A to Z, A to Z, and that's fine. So you click on save, and now you're ready to print the report, which is the first tab. Print this report. Just select it and you'll see that all the details have populated appropriately for all the amounts that are there. All you need to do now is to do Control P, which is just a shortcut for printing. Then print this and you share with your landlord or the particular person. You save this on a common folder, which is, now you name it L005 Kagwa December report. That's how you create a landlord report. Click on save. Let's say we want to replace it because that's just a duplicate. Once you do that, the report will save in PDF, and now you can access your PDF that has been saved and share with your landlord. So let's just open it just to quickly see what it looks like. So this is how your landlord report will look like, and now you can share it with the particular landlord that you've done a remittance for. So it has the rent collected on this part, total collections from tenants, unpaid balances, management fee, what you have remitted, and the last part, it has the detail of the tenant list. So we'll have an updated version of this when you're doing the remittances. Thank you and goodbye.